Hey guys, so today we're going to show you how to use the new patch repair kits to fix up an old patch that you've got maybe lifting, or to add a patch that doesn't have backing onto your jacket, just so that you can keep your patches looking good. Right, so you want to grab your patch pack, open it up, grab this out. It's going to have a paper side and a plastic side. It's easy to draw on the paper side, so what you're going to want to do is trace where you need to cut around. So we're going to use a Sharpie. Does not have to be perfect, but just try not to draw on your patch. Okay, and then you're going to want to cut that out as best you can. Like I said, it doesn't have to be perfect. Just get as close to the edges as you can. There we go. And as you can see, it's separated up. So we want to throw that bit of paper away, and we're left with our backing, which is roughly the shape of our patch. So then we're going to pop that under the patch. Now, if you've got any of these, you can see here, there's some little shiny bits sticking out here. You might want to trim that down a little bit, so just so that you don't get any of that glue showing on your denim, just to keep it nice and neat. Now, you're going to need to cover that so that your hot iron doesn't melt the patches. So you can use a kitchen tea towel, or we're going to use some baking paper. Makes it easier for you guys to see. So you just cover your patches with that. Make sure you cover all the patches that the iron might touch. Heat your iron to the highest setting. Don't put the steam on. Hold your iron down firmly on the patch for 40 to 60 seconds. Now the secret here is you don't want to move that iron around, because that's going to break the bond of the plastic going into the fabric, and you won't get as strong a hold. So press down nice and solidly. We're going to pretend we've done that. And then you're ready to go. The other secret is don't touch it now. Do not touch it. Do not try and play with the edges. Lift your garment up until that is stone cold. That gives the glue time to settle. What you can do at this stage when you take the iron off, if you see anything that doesn't look quite right, press it down. Don't use your fingers, it'll be really hot. Press it down on the edges. If you're still seeing some lifting, especially on these more complicated shapes, you can take the edge of the iron and just press down really hard on any little bits that are lifting. And yeah, and then that's it. Leave it till it's cold and you're done. Woohoo!